here before today. This is great. We only ever had two seniors. This is my biggest senior class, I think, for the girls I ever had, 7 of them. So they're going to make an impact by leaving us. But hopefully those younger girls over there are going to fill in. They're going to be the seniors one day, and then we'll get to talk about them. I'm only going to say a little bit about them because I want to get the match going. But my first senior here is Brianna Curley. She's a 2-year senior. She actually left me for a while. She was coming to my camp all the time, and then she went up yonder at Panther Valley or something like that, I think they call it. But she came back, and I'm very happy she came back because she made a difference in this team, and I will definitely miss her. And I have a little bit of a balloon and a carnation. Gabby's a little slow.
Oh, Gabby.
But you did see her play.